Welcome to AVEVA Instrumentation Training by SENTHAALAI Technical Institute. In this lecture video we will learn about overview of AVEVA instrumentation modules and functional responsibilities. The application consists of 5 core modules. Each module has a clear responsibility based on its function and discipline usage. Let us understand each module one by one. Engineer module. The engineer module is primarily used by instrumentation engineers. This module forms the foundation of all engineering data in AVEVA instrumentation. Using the engineer module, engineers prepare key engineering deliverables such as instrument index, instrument I/O list, instrument datasheets, sizing calculations, instrument catalogs, datasheet forms, and standard engineering reports. The module also allows configuration of tag formats, numbering philosophy, specifications, and predefined report templates. All core instrument data created here is used by other modules in the system. Wiring Manager module. The Wiring Manager module is used to manage all wiring and signal connectivity information. This module is commonly used by both engineers and designers. It supports the preparation of wiring-related deliverables such as junction box schedules, cable schedules, termination wiring, interconnection wiring, cable block diagrams, enhanced cable block diagrams, cross-wiring diagrams, and I/O assignment reports. Wiring Manager ensures complete signal traceability from field instruments to control systems. It also provides predefined configuration settings to maintain wiring standards across the project. Designer module. The Designer module is used by instrumentation designers. Its main purpose is to convert engineering data into drawings. Using this module, designers can create and extract cable block diagrams, termination diagrams, loop diagrams, hookup diagrams, material takeoff reports, and drawing-based reports. All drawings are generated directly from the live database, which reduces manual errors and ensures consistency. Any change in engineering data is automatically reflected in the drawings. Process Engineer module. The Process Engineer module is used by process discipline engineers. This module is used to feed process-related data into the system. It includes process line data, process equipment information, operating and design conditions, and inputs required for instrument sizing calculations. The data provided here supports accurate instrument selection and engineering decisions. Process-related reports can also be generated using predefined configurations. Security Manager module. The Security Manager module is used by system administrators. This module controls user access, data security, and database integrity. Using Security Manager, administrators can create, edit, and delete users, assign role-based and area-based access, manage authentication types, maintain data consistency, handle database collation conflicts, extract backups, import security settings, and manage audit logs. This module ensures that the system remains secure, controlled, and reliable in multi-user environments. Conclusion. In summary, the Engineer module creates core engineering data. The Wiring Manager module manages all wiring connections. The Designer module generates drawings and physical deliverables. The Process Engineer module supplies process data and sizing inputs. And the Security Manager module ensures system security and access control. Together, these modules form a single source of data for instrumentation engineering projects. Thank you. Thank you for your time and attention. This concludes this training lecture. We appreciate your participation and interest in the topic. If you have any questions or require further clarification, please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section. Thank you once again, and we look forward to your continued learning and engagement.